Hello everybody. Welcome to the third class. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to run installation of WordPress on your system and on your local host. So, by the time you got into this video, you must have downloaded the files we gave you on the folder. You you downloaded, which is your WordPress and other components. So, I'm going to show you how to run this installation. But the first thing you have to do is you have to install your XAMPP file on your local disk on your system. So after installing that XAMPP, it's going to show you a pop-up like this. Are you getting me? So, but when you're installing, you make sure that when any pop-up that comes out from the installation, you need to allow access to any pop-up that comes out. Don't cancel any pop-up. So once you have done that, you see this uh, uh, a pop-up that will come out showing you to start the XAMPP. For the first thing we're going to do here, the two most important things that we need in this dashboard, this control panel of XAMPP, is to start the Apache and MySQL. That is the most important thing you need. So when you start it, it will go to stop. When you start it to go to stop, that means it's on. Are you getting me? For you installing it for the first time, if you start Apache and it goes stop and go back to start again, it means you have to restart your system to make it synchronize with your system. You have to restart your system again to make it work better. So after you have done that, this is the first thing you need to do to run WordPress installation in your system. So the next thing you need to do, once you've done this installation, XAMPP creates a folder on your local disk of your system. So look at the folder. It creates a folder here called XAMPP. So this is where you create a folder for your website to do. So when you click on that XAMPP folder, you come to here. This is where you create a folder of your website you want to build. So inside this htdoc, you're going to click to open it. Then here, this is where all your website will be. This is the folder of the website I've done before. So inside this place, you're going to see create a folder for your website. So how do we create a folder? Just click off here, click add new folder. And when you add a new folder, then you can call it block class. Block class. Just click enter. So next thing, if you have done you've read this folder, next thing you're going to do is copy WordPress that we give to you folder. The WordPress folder we give to you. My own is on my desktop, so just copy inside all the content inside the WordPress. So this is what we needed. This is what we need. So you copy all the content. You just need to click Ctrl A to highlight or then Ctrl C to copy. Then you go back to that folder you created called block class. You open it and paste the content inside that folder. It's copying now. So this is what you're going to do. Once you paste it inside that folder, then we're going to create a database for this website for it to run on our local disk. So let's wait for it to copy now. Okay. So it's about to finish now. So after you have done this, the next thing you're going to do is to open your browser. Whatever browser you're using, whether Mozilla or Chrome or WC browser, whatever browser you're using. So once you open the browser, we're going to show you how to create a database for the website you're about to build. So just waiting for my browser to open. Okay, we are on now. So what you're going to do, just click localhost, click enter. Okay. Most of them are going to just write localhost php myadmin. It's still loading. So make sure your XAMPP this thing is on before you can do this, before it to work. So let's wait for it to load. Okay, after you have done that, this is what it will show you. Now here is where we create our database for the website. So click on this database. When you click on database, you see where you put your database name. So the website we are creating is block class. That is a block class. So we're going to use the same name that we used to create the folder of the website, block class. Let me just copy that name because that's the name we're going to use throughout. So we use to create block class database. So after you have done that, the next thing you're going to do is to create a privilege for that database. The person that will have access to the database and control the database and manage and manipulate the database, that is what you're going to create now. And that is what called privilege. You're going to give a user a privilege for this database. So when you click on privilege, it will open you, show you other users you have created, but you're going to add new user, add new account. When you click on add new account, you're going to see where you can add the new account. So the thing we're going to use for both the username and password is same block class, block class. So I copied it before. I'm going to just paste block class inside it. The next one is the host name. You change it, you select local, so it bring out local. That means you are doing it on your local system. The password is still block class. I'm still pasting the same block class. So what you're going to do is just scroll down. You'll see where they say global privileges. What it means is that you are giving this person privilege to edit, to work on the data structure and administration of the site, of the database. So the person can select, create, edit, or delete any column or whatever in the database. So this is what the privilege is all about. When you check this all, it means you are giving the person privilege to do all this. So when you do, I've done that, you just need to scroll down and click on go. Click on go, and you have created a database, a user for that database. So what you're going to do now is to run installation of WordPress on that folder you copied WordPress files into, that local folder you created in your htdoc folder in your local disk. So we're going to run the installation of this now. So inside the htdoc, this where you created a folder that you pasted the WordPress folder files inside it. So how do you run the installation of WordPress? So you click write local host slash the name of the folder you created for your website. That is block class. After you have done that, just click enter to run installation. Now this is what it will show you for WordPress installation. Now this is what it will show you. After we have done this, I'm going to stop this video so that we can continue on the next video for how you're going to run the installation. I don't want the videos to be too long. So once it shows us this, so that you see the interface and see where we're going to start the next time. So you can see this is the interface of the what it will show us after we have done want to run the installation. So I'm going to stop here for the next video so that you'll see how to run the installation.